All right, heading to Houston this week. Should be a good trip. It's going to be really short, so not a whole lot in between, but it's going to be fun. See you in a minute. Got to stop by the office real quick, and then we'll head to the airport.
Please make sure to verify your departure gate in the event of any possible changes. Thank you.
Your attention, please. Airport security alert. Please maintain control of your bag.
How are you?
Hello, you're welcome.
Good day. What you trying to do, sir?
We are packed in tonight. Definitely a full flight, and kind of stuff in the overhead, but it is a tight squeeze. As you can tell, it's pretty loud on here. We haven't even taken off, so I can't wait to see what this is like. We'll see you guys on the ground, but in the meantime, here's something to entertain you. years since I've been here.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably a good 15. That's scary. It looks the same. Either that or I'm getting mixed up with Dallas. Which is possible too. Apparently we've given away my hotel room. So, I don't know, you guys, what do you think we should do? Put an offer on the table. I'm going to see what it's like, but it's not promising. And as you'll notice behind me, there are no rental cars left. So, evidently somebody else, I won't name the company, but I think you can figure it out, has decided to give away all the rental cars too. So, I don't know how Houston runs things, but this seems to be part of the course. Alright, you guys. That was a long day, and we certainly didn't end up where we expected to be. Showed up at the first hotel, and they had overbooked, so they gave away my room. Then they told me they were going to give me one complimentary night somewhere else, and then expected me to return to the original hotel the night after. We turned that down. Then my boss went to check in, and they had moved his reservation to the next day, so he didn't have a room for that night. So after 3 hotels, we finally found one here near downtown Houston. They were great. Hilton Reservations was fantastic in handling us once we got out of the local market. So everything worked out. Hertz also gave us an upgraded car, and we got that solved too. So all in all, not a bad day. A little bit of a hassle, lost about 2.5 hours with all that debacle. Most of it, yeah, I could have taped it, but you know what? It's usually not our best sides, right? So I decided not to put that in here, so probably better for everybody. Alright guys, my meetings in Houston are done. It's time to head back to Atlanta. I gotta admit it, I had to see how the gimbal worked when we're in heavy turbulence, so this is actually pretty moderate. We're shaking around a little bit, but it's really nothing to think about. It's kind of funny. It's partly cloudy outside, it's really not that bad at all. It just goes to show you can't see turbulence, you can't know that it's coming. You just just gotta kind of relax and take it all in and just let it go. Bernoulli's principle is a great thing. It keeps us aloft. And science, man. It's actually kind of hard to hit the record button and the stop button while we're bouncing around like this, but hopefully it's going to end soon and we'll be on the ground. Actually, guys, you probably noticed this time I've got a little bit of different hat on. Let's see if we can get you a good shot of that. Yep. And if you didn't know, IndyCar season is upon us. They just finished testing up in Coda in Austin, Texas. The first time they're going to be racing in the Formula One track there. Looking forward to it. I'm also hoping to get down there and see the race, so maybe I'll take you guys with me. That'll be fun. Anyway, regardless, May's right around the corner, and I can't wait to get back to Indianapolis again. It's one of my favorite things to do, and maybe I'll see some of y'all there. Alright guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date on content, and I'll see you soon. Knock your socks off, go have a blast, and happy traveling. Thanks.